What you on? What time real quick? What time real quick? What time real quick? Fuck. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs here, back with another video for you all. Now this video is my first time doing this shit ever. It's monkey app, and I'm about to go crazy with this monkey app challenge for the rest of the summer. So just subscribe for more monkey videos and comment some monkey videos ideas in the comment section. I want to ask girls to be my girlfriend basically. Simple and straight up. Can you be my girlfriend? You dig? Yeah, so let's straight to it right now. I hope I don't see no niggas on here. Cause hey guys. What's up? Shit. These niggas kick me out. What the fuck? What the fuck? Jeez, no one wants to know, man. Why you up on that? Yo, why get recommended, man? 19, Michigan. Okay. Hey, what's up? It's good. What you on? What time real quick? What time real quick? What time real quick? Fuck. She called me skinny face. Damn shit, yo. Accept she on. Oh, skip that. Why up umbre? I don't want to know.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Oh, man. Yo, when I get man? She's 19. A while. Hey.
What up?
What you on? Shit. I'm getting curved on this month.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Fuck her. No, I don't want to see no niggas. Shit. She's 19. Hey, what's good? You sexy. What's up? Add time real quick.
What?
Add time real quick. Shit. I'm getting curved. I'm getting fucking curved. Hey, what's good? What's up?
Where are you from?
Missouri. How about you? Shit! I'm not even from Missouri. Damn, I'm getting curved real fucking hard tonight. Shit, god damn. Jeez, I don't want to see no fucking niggas. Like, why are you getting niggas? Hey, what's up?
You're frozen.
Really?
Your connection. I have a question.
Okay.
If you could rate me from 1 to 10, what would it be?
I'll give you a... So she's doing a video while I'm doing a video. That's not gonna work. Shit. Hey, what's good? Wow. Hold on, there you go.
You speak Spanish? Dumbass.
No, I'm Spanish. She's 19, she's from Virginia. Damn, I'm getting curved left, right, and center. I don't want to see no niggas, bro. Bye. Why is your monkey? Yo, monkey, why you up on them something here? She's 19, okay. Hey, what's good?
Hey.
What's up? What you on? Add time real quick. Add some time real quick. Shit! God damn! Fuck! Hey! What's up, gaming? What game you playing? I should just give up, don't it? I'm getting curved left, right, and center. Shit. I want a nigga. Shit, I'm getting some curve. I'm getting curved left, right, and center. Shit, that. Okay. Hey, what's up? What's up? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's off right here. I'm about to give right up right now. Shit. You can't do that shit no more. That's a fucking nigga. She's 19. That's a nigga. That's a fuck is up right here. He's 9. I don't want no niggas. Shit. Damn. He's 17. Damn. She's 18. Okay, let's see what this girl. Hey guys. What? What? What's your line? Add some time real quick.
Say the word ass.
Add time. Fuck. Some little kids though. That's some little kids. This girl from Florida. Hey, what's good? What's good?
I'm an albino.
Albino. I'm a Jamaican.
White, like all white.
I'm a Jamaican. Add time real quick. Add time real quick. Add time real quick. Fuck. Fuck. No, no man. Jesus. Monkey up. Fuck yourself, monkey up. It's good.
It's not hot, you for real.
Fuck. I'm giving up. Honestly, I'm giving up. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. This is what YouTubers go through to make a simple monkey fucking video that like, wow, this shit.